Hey dolls and gents, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another review. And I am doing this review at night to show you guys how awesome this product is. This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Foundation. And I have went all day and all night. It is now 8 o'clock p.m. I have had this foundation on all day and it still looks great. Look at that. Still looks great. Some of my oils are seeping through, but no foundation has moved. No foundation has left my face. Like, this foundation is what it is. Now, I did receive this foundation complimentary from Urban Decay for my honest review, and you're going to get my 100% honest review. This is in shade 7.75. It does go on a little lighter than what my complexion is. However, by the time it gets into my skin and oxidizes and everything, it's perfectly fine. It's not, definitely not too light for my skin at all. Like I said, I did my makeup at 6 o'clock this morning. It is 8 p.m. at night. It is still on. I could use a little bit of blotting, but other than that, this makeup has held. I have no lipstick on, no nothing. This makeup has held it down. Retails for $40. You can get it at Urban Decay or your local store. And listen. This is going to be my staple for if you're going to a wedding, if you're going to an event, if you're going to be out all night and you're not going to have time to blot how you normally would have time to blot. I have worked all day, went to the mall, been downtown. I'm downtown now, getting ready to go home. I have not blotted, as you can see, and it still looks good. Like, I can put on another round of lipstick and hit the door again with this foundation. Love it. You guys, this needs to be in your makeup kit, and this doesn't have to be an everyday foundation. This can be for when you know you're going somewhere and you want to look good and you want to make sure your makeup is going to last through the whole event. If you want it to be an everyday foundation, it can, but I'm just letting you guys know this is a staple. Urban Decay All-Nighter definitely lasts all day and all night, and that is the 100% truth. Try it for yourself. Let me know I want to know who tries it, who gets it, how long you wore it for. I want to know everything. They have a concealer out. So although I did receive this free for review, I am going to go and get the concealer on my own, because the way this lasted, I need Urban Decay's concealer in my life. And y'all know I'm not a concealer person, but I just feel like I need it in my life. Trust me. Check this out. Go check it out. I just can't believe that it's still on. It goes on smooth. There is no smell whatsoever. I did apply mine with a brush, a makeup brush. You can apply it with a beauty blender or your fingers if you need to. I have no gripes about it whatsoever. The color shade range, they have tons of shade ranges, especially for women of color. You will see this is 7.75. You will see 7. You will see 8. You will see 8.75. The shade range is absolutely awesome. Go on urbandecay.com and check it out for yourself. They did not skip out on us women of color. They have hundreds of shades to choose from that should match up to what you need. Go get samples first if you want to, but I'm telling you, you will purchase this foundation. This foundation will always be in my bag. I'm telling y'all right now, anywhere I go long term, I will be wearing the Urban Decay All-Nighter Foundation. Look at the packaging. Look at it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Urban Decay and Octoly, thank you so much for allowing me to review your product. I have definitely wore it all night, honey, and I have definitely enjoyed myself. I'll see you guys in the next review.